Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I made and sent a cross-stitch call plate for the creator of Morse Code Ninja Alpha Delta Zero Whiskey Echo. The moment he received the gift, he nicely framed it and displayed in his Assoc, posted and shared on his Facebook account. And how sweet and nice, even shared it on his website, the Morse Code Ninja. This Monday morning, October 17, I received a priority mail from the US. Come on and join me in unboxing the special parcel. Wow, cool! It's a 3D Morse Code Ninja logo! So sweet and nice of you, Kurt, Alpha Delta Zero Whiskey Echo. Thank you very much for the lovely souvenir. For CW and Morse Code enthusiasts, please do visit his website, Morse Code Ninja. The link is in the description below. Thank you, 73 and Mabuhay.